L5 on 22. I'm back with another video. Yeah, today, gang. I had to bring out the Beast ZL1. It's been a long time. But I'll tell you what, she filthy. We ain't gonna do nothing but rain tomorrow, so you know I'm still a little clean. What's happening? Right. Yeah, she filthy, gang. Yeah. What's happening? How you doing, bro? Alright. It's been a minute, man. What's going on? Yeah, how about yourself? Thanks, man.
Let's go.
Where you been up to?
Just chilling, man.
I heard that. I like that. Okay. Yeah, I like that.
Last time you seen Logan, man.
It's been a minute. Yeah.
I know. Last time I seen you in a while.
Why?
You look good, boy.
Thanks, man.
That church ain't done.
Yeah. About 2 years. Yeah, thanks, man.
Be safe, bro.
All right. Yeah, I want to watch this jump. It's gonna rain. 90% chance of rain tomorrow. That's bad. Yeah, what is the word? He's back here, radiator. Yes, I'm going from
Now that's cocaine white right there, cuz.
You got the poles up here.
Oh yeah, she ready.
Even got an 8-track in it.
Oh man.
See that though?
So don't.
Oh man, she beautiful, cuz. Oh, let me get the rims on.
That joint's pretty too.
Boy, yeah, but his ain't sweeter though.
Yeah.
His ain't everything out here.
Yeah. That's what a Bonneville.
Uh-huh.
That's a Cadillac here, right? You got 4 in that jump.
Check out the one beside.
You got that birthday, you got a convertible on that jump. Both on the convertible.
Because you pull yours over here and shut everything down. I'm telling you that for fact. That's why the young boy came over there. Yeah, this ain't nice too.
Yeah, that's nice too, yeah. You got the balls on that jump.
Cause I got me 11 hours overtime on that paycheck doing nothing.
Hey, that's sweet, ain't it?
Boy, I don't know how to act. If he punch it, cause it's gonna lift off the ground. Yeah, it keep cutting off. It's recording now. That one, look at that down there. Oh my God, look at the black one over there. Oh, that ain't mad. Classic. Oh my God, yes. Oh, she's ready. Cause look at the custom sound system. He got the speakers in the seat. She's ready. Yes, he do. Oh my God, I wouldn't even know how to act riding something like this, cuz. Uh-huh. Pour that drink now.
Red Cali. This guy here. That white and that black.
Look like a ice cream cone.
Wow,
Please don't touch. You ain't gotta worry about that, player. That's a classic. Oh, that's a classic too.
Yeah, that's Bonneville. Remember Dwight had one?
Yeah. Dwight told me tell you what's up. I seen him at work Friday.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. He ain't even recognize who I was.
I know he did.
Oh, that boy, I gotta get the rim. Yeah, that ain't nasty cut. I'm gonna get this last one right here.
You see the gold vote, and then you got the red jump. Remember Dwight them had one of them?
Yes, sir. Old school.
His dad always kept one of them.
Yes, sir. Did they get home and put the groceries up and everything? Oh yeah, boy, she ready. Come, what you do different to the rim?
What you mean?
They the same rims. Cause I ain't seen the car in so long. When I see it on YouTube, I said, "Cuz, they put some new rims on."
Yeah, them the new ones I put up there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I just color matched it, you know, to the car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You drive this to work?
Hell no. Man, you know if I drove this to work, you know it'd be a problem.
That motherfucker ready. Ain't no need of you doing no
Nah.
spin outs and stuff with that.
Oh, he talking to me.
We don't need any smoke with that. That's a luxury car.
Somebody pull up at the red light,
And give you the nod.
yeah,
You can take
they
it.
in trouble, yeah. Try to catch him at the red light.
Oh, you be wanting to race. Cuz, don't get no ticket, cuz.
Let me catch him at the red light. Hey,
He gonna eat it, look. He gonna nod his head. Leave him.
and he gonna have smoke. He gonna eat smoke.
Cuz, this garage kept so it always look wiped off.
Yeah. That keep it in the garage. But somebody scratched two of my cars, man, around the same place. The two Lexus.
Well, yeah, cuz, man, real talk, I'm taking notes from you, man. She's just different, cuz.
Hey,
I ain't gonna go out here and do nothing stupid, but she's just different, that's all. Now she talking. Come on, man.
that's that. You know, when's that time of the month? You know, that's how it is sometimes. You don't know what's going on.
I sure don't. Get this on tape. I don't know what the fuck is going on. But I tell you what, keep fucking with me. Try me.
Boy, you
I'm gonna tell you, cuz, if I still had my place out Northview, I'd have been left. Oh, I can't nothing out there about that. I don't even think that blue one can fuck with. Cuz, yours ain't got what on the speed bump?
I'm being trouble. Got 200 on the dash.
That blue one will do 200. That blue one be the only one out there give you some competition. Still, black guy come behind me and say, "Yeah, motherfucker, you got the wrong one." So I'm saying to myself, please get from behind me, because my instincts get ready to kick in. So he walked and talking to the foreigner dude that was giving him some lip. I said, man, let me get the hell out of here and go home. I can't even put my Mega Million in for drama.
What store you go to?
The foreigners one right up there, about across the street from Wawa. That. Oh, I tell you, the world we live in.
Yeah. How you doing? Right. That's a lady driving, man. That's a bet. Might be. Damn.
Watch him spin out, cuz. That motherboard, cuz.
You said what?
I think y'all.
Man, I'll smoke that.
Cuz.
I'll smoke it.
Cuz, that's a Corvette.
On me. On bro. I'll
Okay,
smoke
you put
it.
it on yourself, then yeah, you smoke.
I'll smoke
You a
it.
driver.
I'm telling you. On the takeoff, she probably getting about a nose or something like that. But it's over after that.
Them get-
It's over. Uh-oh. Oh.
It's like they got away from it.
BMW.
They still got a little something, something.
Yes, sir. He burned out a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Not like you burned out on the goddamn video, though. Goddamn. I
God.
said that car got some power beyond reason.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Ford. Oh, that's Mustang. That ain't loud, ain't it?
Yes, he does. That's bigger than the smoke.
You think she thinks she run? She that loud? Think she run?
That Corvette will take.
Yeah, that Corvette take off. Take her all day.
That Corvette take off. If they get on the interstate and do something, what is that? It'll be a sight.
Yeah.